Scorpio! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So, gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng April 2024. Current energy check-in to and short-term prediction. So, maaaring mag-resonate to onto the next 3 to 6 months. Remember na ito ay isang collective reading, hindi to personal reading. So, maaaring mag-resonate into certain collective to which channel natin yung energy nila at maaaring hindi mag-resonate sa ilan sa inyo. So, it only means na ang reading nito ay hindi para sa inyo and you should check on your next month reading. I might tap into your energy next time. As simple as that. New viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng ating Tagalog reading channel. Okay? So, collective Scorpio, like I said, general reading to for the month of April 2024. Current energy check-in. Ginawa natin itong reading na to ngayong April 16 sa ganap na 9:53 PM. So, gawin na natin ang yung general life reading. Isa-shuffle ko lang ulit yung mga oracle cards in front of the camera and I'll see you in few seconds, Scorpio. Okay? Hi again, Scorpio. So, gawin na natin ang yung general life reading, current energy check-in. April 16, sa ganap na, as of now, 9:55 PM. Kukuha tayo ng 7 cards sa inyong general life snapshot. At ang gagamitin nating oracle card ay yung kay Kyle Gray na Keepers of the Light oracle cards. Nandyan yung mga ascendant masters, mga guides, and mga spiritual beings that's, fusion from any belief system. Okay? So, kukuha tayo ng 7 cards para sa ating collective Scorpio. Okay. At position 1, Scorpio, nandyan si, Jesus Christ, Master Jesus. Scorpio, first time na lumabas ni Jesus Christ sa reading for the month of April 2024. So far, sa lahat ng mga reading na ginawa ko, so, hindi pa siya lumalabas. So, this is something really good, no? Si Master Jesus, forgiveness. Wow. At position 2, nandyan si Mahavatar Babaji, Soul Expansion. I am figuring na parang Indian guide siya, no? Or something like that. Okay? Now, iusap lang natin ito. Para magkasya. At position 3, meron ka, si Archangel Michael, Trusting Heaven. Okay, I think lumabas si Archangel Michael first time sa Sagittarius reading na ginawa natin before this. I think, yep. And then, at position 4, Lady Portia. So, first time mag-appear nito, if I'm not mistaken, Divine Order at position 4 para sa'yo. Scorpio. At position 5, so, nandiyan ang ating cover, si Holy Amethyst Divine Alchemy. Okay? At position 6, nandiyan si Horus, Cosmic Gateway. So, may Egyptian, I think Egyptian mythology or sa Egyptian belief system, ancient belief system, Horus is parang powerful god siya, no? Or a spiritual being sa Egyptian belief system in the ancient times, no? And at the center, Lady Venus, downloads and understanding. Okay. Pisahan na natin sa Scorpio kasi feel like in some of these cards nag-appear sa ibang zodiac sign but kayo parang it's a mix of both worlds, no? Okay. So, sa first position, Master Jesus, Forgiveness. So, at position 1, ito ang release card. Yung kailangan mong i-unleash or pakawalan or i-release, okay? So, something na hino-hold back mo rin for a while is forgiveness. Learn to forgive or yung parang ability natin to forgive quickly, medyo siguro nahihirapan tayo, may roadblock doon, no? Kasi depende naman sa gravity ng ginawa sa atin, or it could be also you're the one seeking forgiveness. Ang sabi dito, you are on the path of light, love, and forgiveness. Further healing, which is Jesus Christ, is possible at this time. So, I felt strongly na medyo may situation or people na or even sa buhay mo na lately it's been tough, difficult and hurtful, no? And because of that, medyo may roadblock pa tayo on maring pagpatawad sa ating sarili at sa ibang tao, or patawarin sila ng buong puso natin. Maaari rin akala natin pinapatawad natin pero parang half-baked or half-hearted forgiveness pa yung binibigay natin, hindi 100%. Okay? Kasi, like I said, depends on the gravity ng ginawa. But, ang sinasabi nga dito, you need to connect to Jesus. Okay? When it comes to parang nahirapan tayong makapagpatawad. Okay? Kasi sa Catholic faith, no? For sure, Tagalog reading to, majority sa inyo Catholic or Christian. One of his main teachings is revolved around forgiveness, diba? Be kind to one another, sinasabi niya, maging compassionate tayo sa isa't isa. It's, alam mo yung mga parable, ay yung mga teaching niya, ang dali-dali pakinggan, no? Sa pandinig ng tao, ang dali naman ng tinuturo ni Jesus Christ. Pero kung i-apply din sa buhay natin, ang hirap. Ang hirap. Yun yung core value natin as a Christian. Mahirap maging Christian, no? It's really parang a devotion, a practice. If you want to emulate the light, Jesus Christ, no? As a good Christian, ito yung one of the characteristic na dapat meron tayo, no? Learn to forgive and heal. So, I think may roadblock, no? Yung forgiveness na yan, galing kasi yan sa difficult times, sa tough times, no? Sinabi dito, Father healing, eh. So, you need to heal and to forgive others, okay? O yung mga situations, and forgive yourself. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Maaaring itong roadblock mo. Okay, maaaring roadblock mo to. Kung hindi mo pa to napapakawalan. Alright. At position 2, may Indian spiritual guru or deity dito about soul expansion. Ito yung kailangan mo namang ipagpatuloy. Soul expansion daw. Sabihin natin, basahin natin yung sinasabi ditong caption. Your consciousness is expanding, Scorpio. You understand the connections between all things. So, maaari na you are very spiritual and enlightened. And anyway, hindi ka manonood ng tarot reading kung hindi ka a spiritual person. Anyway, di ba? So, you're working hard. Or maaaring, I don't think it could be ongoing. That's what I mean. Yung may inner work ka sa sarili mo where nag-grow ka spiritually lately. Interested ka sa mga metaphysical things like how to manifest a good life, attract abundance in your life sa lahat ng areas, no? So that's part ng soul expansion mo. I mean, you're learning more, no? Deeper knowledge, kumbaga, na makaka-benefit sa personal well-being mo, sa spirit mo, okay? Spiritual growth, spiritual work. Yun yung kailangan mo daw ipagpatuloy. Okay? Soul expansion. Kasi, when we contribute something, ang positive ng aura natin, so one thing, no, na natutunan natin, to think ahead and na parang it's our reality na, manifestation, for example, and kailangan ma-maintain mo constantly yung positive thoughts and affirmation. That's part of contributing something sa universe. So, pag nagko-contribute tayo sa mundo, sa energy, no, na ikagaganda ng mga vibration ng mundo, no, and love is the highest frequency, naniniwala ako dyan. Kung gano'n ang kataas ang frequency mo, or along that, part ka ng soul expansion. Whatever na pinuput out mo there, if it's positive lalo, no, part ka na nagko-contribute ka sa expansion ng universe. Okay, Scorpio? At position 3, nandiyan si Archangel Michael, trusting heaven. Nasa manifestation card mo si Archangel Michael, and nasa release position mo si Jesus. Jesus is asking you to learn how to forgive. Magpatawad daw. Okay? Kung nahihirapan tayo, ang sinasabi dito, no, yung mga new beginnings manifestations mo, nakasalalay yan sa langit. Trust heaven. So, kung sinasabi ni Jesus, matuto tayo magpatawad, kahit na gaano kabigat o kalit ng kasalanan yan, wala doon yon. Regardless of circumstances, magtiwala tayo sa langit. Ang sabi dito, lalo na connect kay Archangel Michael, connect tayo kay Jesus Christ. You are safe, sinasabi dito. May assurance na binibigay sa'yo ang langit. Angels stand close. So, maaaring may mga guides ka lately na ginagabayan ka, no? Yung current energy mo for April, and short-term prediction to, Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. So maybe it's asking you to connect kay Archangel Michael. Kung may novena si Mike, alam ko may novena siya. Connect with him and connect to Jesus, Sacred Heart of Jesus, Divine Mercy, no? And pray, go to church kasi ang church is the highest form of honor, no? Sa ating Holy Trinity or kay God, okay? And the rest are veneration. So may difference yan, no? Ang highest form of veneration is to the Holy Trinity, to God, okay? And then other form of veneration, and that is latria. The other forms of veneration is hyperdulia and dulia. No, veneration on saints and angels, and veneration to the Blessed Virgin Mary. But then, no, I think it's dulia. Hyperdulia is the Blessed Virgin Mary. So, sinasabi dito, connect with your angels. Okay? Or if you're connected strongly to Michael, then ask for protection. I felt like yung manifestation mo need to be protected. Kasi si Archangel Michael, no, yung prayer niya, no, defend us in battle, you know, against the wickedness of, you know, of this bad things, di ba? Parang gano'n. Ayoko na sabihin yung word na yun kasi baka ma-block tayo ng YouTube. Anyway, yun yung prayer niya, Archangel Michael. So, you should connect with him and pray it. I think for your manifestation, sinasabi, it has to be protected. Divinely protected. So, when you manifest, make sure na align siya sa kung anong gusto mo. It's always, you know, in alignment din sa kung ano yung best or yung tinuturo ng teachings ng Christian faith, ng Catholic faith. Kasi trust heaven eh. So, heaven is linked to Christianity, okay? So, I always go by yung manifestations mo must be supported divinely by that faith, okay? By your faith, okay? Now, at position 4, nandiyan si Lady Portia, Divine Order, no? So, may Divine Alchemy ka, may Divine Order. But, let's tackle first tong si Divine Order. Hindi ko alam kung saan God or Goddess, anong region or country itong si Lady Portia. I'm guessing maybe sa Europe siya, no? Portia kasi, yung name niya. Divine Order. Do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. Alright, so, sa external energies, no? Sinabi dito, may important lesson ka na marireveal sa'yo. Sa external energies mo. Whatever it is sa general life mo. Brace yourself, no? It could come off as unexpected. Maaaring mangyari ito right now or nangyayari lang recently or in the next 3 to 6 months, no? An important lesson is unfolding for you. Okay? There is something na lesson na hinahanda sa'yo na dapat matutunan mo or natutunan mo lately to. Okay? Ang sabi dito, basta sundin mo yung kutob mo, yung intuition mo, yung nararamdaman mo kung ano yung tama. Hindi based sa utak, but based sa kung ano yung nasa puso. Okay, sometimes the heart is, alam mo yun, yan ang replica or parang yung vibration ng heart mo, pag alam mong, this is what I feel is right, okay? Not what you think is right, okay? So, pag sinunod ang puso, sinasabi dito, no? Yun lang naman ang feeling ko dito. What you feel is right, yung kutob mo, no? May lesson na mare-reveal yun. Okay? And that lesson, yung external energy na yan, na ina-unfold para sa'yo, it's not something na pinlano or because may free will tayo yung nag-cause, but it's meant to be there. Yun ang sinasabi doon. Okay? Whatever it is na ihahay na darating na lesson, it's meant to be there. Divine order. Okay? For whatever it is, may dahilan yon. Ngayon, after nito ni Divine Order, lumabas si Divine Alchemy, nasa 5th position. Kasi ito external energy mo, ito naman yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Okay, so may external influence ka sa lessons, no? It's something na unplanned and hindi mo talaga gugustuhin or na unexpected, kumbaga, na darating sa'yo as a lesson. Okay? But, lahat tayo may ganun. May mga surprises and then came off as a lesson later, diba? Parang ganun ang sinasabi doon. Ngayon, yung kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo si Holy Amethyst, Divine Alchemy. Diba mga alchemists, they turn things like magic. Okay? It's a process na parang may ginagawa ka para yung mga elements na yan maging fruition or mag-manifest. Parang magic at work or miracle at work. Yan ang divine alchemy, no? Move beyond current challenges. So, para sa'yo, sinasabi dito, malalampasan mo yung mga current challenges mo or kailangan mo siyang malampasan. So, parang in the process kasi may mixing na mangyayari dyan. Work in progress. So, the obstacle right now, kailangan malampasan mo yung mga current challenges mo. Okay? Yun yung kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo. Yung mga obstacle na yun, kailangan malampasan mo. Okay? Focus on what you desire. Okay? Kung may hadlang or roadblock doon sa mga bagay na dinidesire mo ngayon sa buhay mo, try to overcome them. Let's say, nahihirapan tayong maghanap ng trabaho. Ngayon, ano yung kailangan mong gawin para makakuha ka ng trabaho? Spiritual work, nagdadasal, okay? That's okay. Pero at the same time, gumagawa ba tayo na action? Para makakuha tayo ng trabaho, nag-a-apply ba tayo actively online? Check mo ba yung mga skills kung meron ka? Target those skills. So, sinasabi dito, focus on what you desire. Kung ito yung gusto mo, tapos may roadblock, like maybe you're lacking this skill and that, maraming hinahanap, work on it. Yun ang sinasabi dito, move beyond current challenges. So, example lang yan. Like I said, biniblend yung element for you, but ang sinasabi dito, ang miracle is always there, okay? May lesson dito na mag-a-unfold sa'yo, na magkakaroon ng parang push sa'yo na to change things, divine alchemy, to change things for you. Dahil dun sa lesson na yon na mare-reveal sa'yo later on, na maayang na-reveal recently. I hope it makes sense, ba? These are your guides telling you what to do, okay? Ngayon sa new beginnings mo, nandyan si Horus, no? Makapangyarihan siyang god sa Egyptian ancient belief system, no? Ang nanay yata nito si Isis. So, cosmic gateway. Your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. New beginnings mo nakasalalay sa iniisip mo. So, kailangan maging powerful ka. Make sure kung ano yung nilalaman ng isip mo, yun yung mga things na kailangan mong i-create. Energy, sinasabi ko sa inyo, energy is powerful. Words are powerful. Your thoughts are energy as well. Your words are energy. Kasi dinidispel yan sa universe, sa soul expansion. So, may connect, di ba? You cannot make it up. Your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. So, kailangan i-ensure mo na yung mga thoughts mo are powerful and will attract positive vibes. Miraculous changes are occurring for your new beginning. So, may miracle talaga na papasok sa'yo. Pero may roadblock ka, like I said, yung forgiveness and yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan dyan. You need to embrace that. Okay? Gawin mo kung anong tingin, yung nararamdaman mong tama daw. Yun yung external energy, yung nararamdaman mong tama. Do what you feel is right. Okay? And then, yung mga current challenges mo, kailangan mong, you need to sort those out. Diba? Yung sinasabi, and trust in heaven kasi nga, may miracle. So, isn't it in alignment? Nandiyan si Archangel Michael, nandiyan si Horus, no? Sa manifestations and new beginnings mo, para silang sinasabi about miracle. Tingnan mo sabi ni Archangel Michael. Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. So, surrender your concerns to Jesus or to Archangel Michael. Ask for protection. And Horus is also about protection, no? Protection din to eh. Pero sa Egyptian ancient belief system siya. Sinasabi dito, aside from trusting heaven and miracles, connecting with Jesus and Archangel Michael also, aside from that, guide your thoughts. Kasi baka mag-spiral down tayo. Dapat stay positive. Think about good things. Okay? Like, affirmation. Like, thank you universe, thank you God for blessing me with a perfect health. Mga ganon. Okay? Miraculous changes are occurring. Kung you keep your thoughts always positive and optimistic, always think of the best possible outcome. Okay? Huwag ka mag-iisip ng negative. Now, at the center, Scorpio, Lady Venus. So, I don't know kung saan siya or siya si planet Venus, Venusian energy, downloads and understanding. So, ito yung parang mga realization as well. Pag sinabi kasing download sa metaphysical, lalo sa tarot, ito yung mga, like ako, nag-channel ako ng messages lang, diba? Intuitive messages. So, these are downloads, diba? Channeled siya, channeled messages. And understanding mga realization sa lessons learned mo. So, may mga channeled messages, maaaring makuha mo yun sa panood mo ng tarot reading, ng mga metaphysical videos, for reading manifestation books, spiritual books. Yun yung mga downloads, di ba? Now, yung understanding is something na related sa life mo, life lesson, life experiences lately. Okay? Ito yung kailangan mo daw na matutunan. Or maybe natutunan mo lately. Pero sabi dito, Scorpio, truth is being revealed. So, sinabi dito, do what you feel. Tingnan mo yung nasa external mo, di ba? An important lesson is unfolding. Do what you feel is right. Okay, do what you feel is right. Based sa heart mo or gut feeling mo yon. Tapos, doon marireveal yung important lesson. Yun yung external energy for you, no? Na idadalhin sa'yo. Now, yung lessons learned mo, sinabi dito, no? Truth is being revealed. So, may katotohanan na darating para sa iyo, and that is something that either you want to accept or you want to reject. Okay? Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So you see, yun yung downloads. So, yung reality na sinasabi dito is based also on dun sa soul expansion. Okay? Yung mga spiritual work, spiritual inner work, or whatever it is yung belief system mo, kahit ano yan. So, it has something to do with metaphysical as well, no? So, try to dive deep sa mga materials na yan na binabasa mo, you're working on right now, tarot, crystals, whatever it is, no? Sinasabi dito, may something kang na matututunan dyan na fact. Okay? Yung mga metaphysical, sinasabi nila na sometimes it's not true because parang ina-invento lang din ng mga reader, but no, it's not true. These are channel messages, these are download messages, ginagay tayo ng mga cards. Naniniwala ako dyan. Dito, nire-reveal din ng truth for you right now, di ba? If mag-resonate ka dito. So, yung mga deep insights na to, galing yun sa heaven, both sa heaven, kasi nandiyan si Jesus and Archangel Michael, you cannot make it up. Sinabi pa niya, deep insights coming from heaven. So, from Jesus and Archangel Michael. So, pakinggan mo to. Yung forgiveness and trusting heaven. So, deep insights. Pakinggan mo yan. You need to follow that. Yung learn to forgive others, forgive yourself, or sila patawarin ka, ask for forgiveness. And, magtiwala sa heaven na their miracles are there. And, magtiwala ka sa astral realm, doon sa soul expansion mo. Okay? Yan yung divine alchemy, divine order na yan. Nandiyan yung dalawang divine na word. So, you cannot end may cosmic gateway pa. Cosmic gateway, soul expansion. So, for you, Scorpio, no, it's something to do with yung spirituality mo. Okay? Get close to your belief system. I felt like Christian ka. And at the same time, interested ka sa metaphysical also like me. So, I hope it resonates with you, Scorpio, no? And I'll see you guys in your next month reading if it doesn't resonate. Okay? I'll tap into your energy next time. Take care, Scorpio. God bless. Mahal ko kayo. Bye-bye.